So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x. Now your aim is to categorize this differential equation. So what is this type of this differential equation? So to do that, so let me separate this into two terms. Dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y by x, right? This implies dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 1. And do you see that this looks like a linear differential equation? So dy by dx plus y times some function of x is equal to some function of x. So for this, if I compare this with linear differential equation dy by dx plus p of x times y is equal to q of x. So if I compare these two, p of x is nothing but minus 1 by x, q of x is nothing but 1. Correspond to these p of x and q of x, this is a linear differential equation. So how do we solve linear differential equation? You need to remember the process. So first step is I find the integration factor, right? E power integration of p of x dx, that is minus 1 by x dx, that is equal to e power minus of 1 by x integration is log x ln x, that is equal to e power ln 1 by x, e power ln 1 by x. E logs base is also e, so everything gets cancelled and you get 1 by x. So the integration factor is 1 by x. So now once you have the integration factor, what is the solution to this differential equation? Y times integration factor is equal to integration of q of x times integration factor dx. That's the solution of linear differential equation. You need to remember this. This implies y times 1 by x is equal to integration of q of x is 1 into 1 by x dx. So y by x is equal to integration of 1 by x is ln x plus c. This implies y is equal to x times ln x plus c. So y is equal to x times ln x plus c is the general solution of this equation. So for now, in this question you're also given a condition. That is, when x is equal to 1, y has to be equal to 1. From this condition we can get the particular solution, some value, some particular value of c. So this implies 1 is equal to 1 times ln 1 is 0 plus c. So if you compare this, c is equal to 1, right? C is equal to 1. So for this condition to be satisfied, c has to be equal to 1. Hence, y is equal to x times ln x plus 1 is the right answer to this question, or x ln x plus x, both are same. Thank you.